Gonna roll the windows down and just drive. It's a crack of a pop top, slap of a flip-flop, squealing tires past the county line. An outboard Mercury firing up, tapping kegs and crushing Dixie cups. Summer sounds that bring me back to that beach down in Lower Alabama, 1995. Getting wasted away on a 5 and some change, never thinking about a thing past Saturday night. Yeah, the sounds of freedom, wishing that we could make it all last somehow. I'm looking back now, man, I love those summer sounds. Like cicadas in a pine tree, a warm July night breeze, and fireworks popping in the sky. Down an old gravel road, about as far as we could go, keeping it out to way past 9. Oh, we crashed like waves in the sand, like a thunderstorm we were rolling in. Summer sounds that find me and Sarah in the backseat of my old Ford parked down by the lake. Yeah, whippoorwills singing and our hearts beating the first time we ever made it to second base. Yeah, the sounds of first love, wishing that we could make it all last somehow. Oh, looking back now, man, I love those summer sounds. All the days turned into weeks, turned into years. Back on the beach in Lower Alabama, thinking, man, I sure love to hear summer songs that my kids sing, bring back memories of all of the good in my life. Yeah, crackling campfires, graveling mud tires, and telling ghost stories on a Saturday night. The sounds of my life, wishing that I could still make it all last somehow. I'm looking back now, man, I love those summer sounds. Yeah, look